Hello everyone! Today we are at IKEA. IKEA is one of the few design forward retailers where you can go, spend literally just a few dollars and walk away with something either cute or incredibly useful. Here are some crazy inexpensive IKEA stuffs I have purchased at IKEA. So please take a look at all the kitchen and home decor items. Everything under $10. I was looking for something to store potlets and plates during cooking. When you take the lid off and needs to put the lid somewhere so it doesn't drip everywhere. So this is a perfect item for unorganized lids and plates. And here is the solution. It's a bamboo plate holder. It holds 6 plates and 6 potlets at the same time, and as it's made up of bamboo, it is very durable as it's a natural material. It's very easy to clean as well. It looks so stylish and it fits in any cabinet as it occupies very less space, and whenever you want to take a plate out, it's very easy. Take a look. And now you can see all the plates and the potlets are sorted out very neatly in a clean way and in a stylish way. I know there are so many options available in the market, but you'll be surprised with the cost when you check this plate holder. It's just $2.99. So isn't it a good idea to buy 2 or 3 to sort out your plates and your potlets? I know you liked it. The next one is plant pot. It's a ceramic white plant pot which looks very pretty and beautiful, which can pop out your plants and makes the place look so beautiful. And it has a great quality. You can use it to store your utensils. And this is an artificial plant. This is very beautiful decor plant you cannot go wrong with. This is very thick and realistic. So you can keep it in your kitchen or bookshelf or outdoor or anywhere to make the space look more colorful and more lively. I have set this in my kitchen and it looks so fresh and so lively. These spice jars comes in 4-pack. They're very cute spice jars. They're small enough to store all your spices. They save a lot of space in your kitchen and makes your cabinet looks more organized and neat. I have stored few seeds in the spice jars and it occupies very less space. These are few other models of spice jars of 2 different sizes. One is $2.99 and the other is $3.99. And these are the dish towels. They come in a 4-pack. They are 100% cotton towels with simple and classy designs. It makes your kitchen look more classy and neat. This is a dish drying mat to keep your countertops neat and tidy. It is very durable with excellent price. I've seen larger ones, but my counter space is limited, so these are perfect size for my small kitchen. Dishes are dry, you can take all of your dishes and there is a small hook over here. You can just hang it, or you can place the drying mat in the sun. So it's very easy and very durable. This is a dish drainer. Using this drying mat to get more drying space, or you can place this dish drainer over the drying mat to soak up all the dripping water, so it does not stain your cabinets. It holds good amount of plates, spoons, and there's good space to put all your dishes as well. And once you're done, you can just take out the dish drying mat and dry it in the sun. This is a beautiful decor plant you cannot go wrong with. This is very thick and very realistic to look at, and nobody can ever tell that this is an artificial plant. You can set this in your kitchen, bookshelf, or outdoor. I have placed it in my kitchen on a white cabinet, and that looks so realistic and so beautiful, and it makes the place very lively. These are corks. These corks come in a 3-pack. You can use these corks to place hot dishes or hot utensils, so it doesn't burn your countertop, and these are very durable. I've been using them since 4 years, and I bought a new pack recently. As they're made up of some wooden material, it is very long lasting and they won't break so soon, so you can use them for longer time. These are cute little coffee mugs. This is an oil dispenser. It has 2 glass jars. You can store 2 different kinds of oils in this, or oil and vinegar, and it is $9.99. This is a 3-piece bathroom decor in the color white. It has a soap dispenser, toothbrush holder, and a tray. The tray is perfect for soap, but you can also store in some jewelry or small pieces that easily disappear. And it makes your place so neat and clean because it's very classy to look at. There's so many different kinds of models, but I really like this. And this is a 3-piece artificial plant set. You can use it in indoor or outdoor. These are cute and they add happiness to your home. They are more like natural than the others in the market. You can place them in your kitchen, in your bathroom cabinets, or in the outdoor spaces to make your place look more colorful. All of these items are under $10 and cannot only make your life easier but would help your kitchen look tidier and more stylish. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a like and do share it with your friends. See you on the other side. Bye bye.